Welcome, Texas Pete race fans. America's sauce with championship flavor. Do you like pulling the heads on your race car all the time? Well, me either. So let's get to it. Thankfully, we made this thing pretty easy to work on. About all we got to do is pull the intake off, pull the exhaust manifolds off, and we should be about ready to pull some heads off. So, time lapse time, give me like 20 seconds, I'll have it done. I brought my neighbor over for some help. Dude's pretty nice. He knows a little bit about cars, and when I get in a bind, I just call him. He comes over and helps me a little bit. It's pretty cool. Here's the rest of the teardown video.
Where's you at when I was tearing mine down?
I'm not your neighbor. You're my neighbor.
We're neighbors.
No. Well, heads are off. Now I'll wait for Chris to come over and give his 2 cents on the situation. And then we'll go from there. We'll see. It don't look bad. I think I'd rather take the head off and the whole gasket be blowed out the side than to take one off and nothing look wrong. We'll see. Hey, what do you think about it? Is it time?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Looks to be time.
Looks like a blowed head gasket to me.
Like it did have a blowed head gasket?
No, it still got one.
Like it still got.
Now it don't.
Oh boy.
Now it's locked in.
Now it's locked in. Alright. Looks good to me.
Yep. We're just gonna send it.
You want me to start it?
I guess now's as good a time as ever.
Thick?
I don't know.
Did we pray for it?
Go ahead. fixed.
Dude, are you drilling my hood?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Really? classic car at a time.
Dang.
Actually, I'm not doing much ruining this drill bit's dog.
Really shouldn't drag race a car like this, you know.
No, people have told you that for a long time.
Or get a Pinto or something.
Or like Fox body or something.
That'd be good.
Those things are
Piece of junk.
cheap.
Oh, you put it through the radiator?
Dude, what are you doing?
Oh, just buffing it.
With a cutoff wheel?
Yeah. Some deep scratches. You gotta get to the base coat.
I think you got it. I saw sparks.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Okay.
A little longer. This ain't nice.
What were you doing
What was I doing? What?
with the buffer a minute ago?
Oh, I just buffed some holes in the hood. You bear down on it too hard, it'll just... Look at that.
Man, them are nice.
Yeah, look at these.
All I can really see in this camera lens is the fingerprints, though.
Oh yeah, you shouldn't get that. It's a 10-footer. Or get a tag for the car that says 10-footer.
Says 10-footer.
This is what we used to have. Watch this.
How good did those work? Okay.
So.
I'll insert the photo here of your car going down the track at Texas.
Yeah, we run a pass and I got back in the toter home. It was like at 9 or something. Somebody sent me a text and I was like, dude, your hood's
You might want to check your hood.
waving.
I got a text message all the way back from North Carolina while we were in Texas saying, hey, Steven needs to check his hood. This corner of the hood was, well, like I said, I'll put the picture in here so you guys can see it. It was a little...
They will not do that anymore.
What would you call it?
Wonky.
Is wonky?
Yeah, it's getting a little wonky.
Well, yeah, so hopefully it won't get wonky anymore with these new hood latches. 'Cause them things...
You've had them what? Almost 200 miles an hour?
250 mile an hour.
200. You've been 250?
250,
Is
yeah.
that what you was doing before you hit the wall?
Yeah, that's what it was. And we...
No wonder you hit the wall.
Yeah, that's a little fast, ain't it? And we did some motor upgrades.
Look at that.
Son, what do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know.
Is it going to be any faster?
With a blanket?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I think they said to run a diaper, not a blanket.
Oh. Ain't hurt.
No, just leave it on there.
Yeah, we'll just leave it.
All right, well, 69's back together. Let's see if he can go get his butt whooped in Atlanta. What happened? What happened last year in Atlanta?
We had a good time.
That 195 mile an hour flyby?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was.
Old boy, meaner than Scrubby. I red lighted. And he run 195 mile an hour.
He still beat you.
I said, was that the other cars?
Oh. Yeah, maybe don't get paired up with him.
I'm gonna run 195.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You heard it here first.
Yep.